We are now looking at a rare mid-19th century French publication, which we see here is in the original wraps from the press, or the binder. It's this Memoires of the Institut Royale. It's Tome Seizieme, so 16, volume 16. It is 1846. It is the second part. What makes this so interesting is there's a Rosetta stone plate in here, which relates to, we have one of these that is the discovery of the Rosetta stone. But also what really makes this so interesting is it is the Denderah, ancient Egypt, the temple that they discovered that contains this very famous Zodiac bas-relief depiction of the night sky with ancient Egyptian symbols, but it lines up perfectly with the modern constellations of the zodiacs, and it is, in fact, the only surviving depiction of the sky that we have from ancient times. Here is the temple. Here is where the zodiac chamber was, and that depiction there is this ceiling. There are, I believe, unless it's that ceiling, but I think it's in there. And what we have here, yes, right, this is for the Rosetta stone, which is also ancient Egypt. And then we have this temple plate right here, which is a Chinese temple plate. This is a scholarly journal that covered a wide range of topics. But then further back, the article continues on, and we have this absolutely splendid original hand color zodiac rendering, like so. Yeah, and there is the round. That bas-relief sculpture actually has a fascinating history behind it. The French government paid someone to go to this temple and actually chisel and blast it out of the ceiling and bring it back to Paris, where it today can be seen in the Louvre Museum. It is there. This is original hand color. These are on the walls. These are further zodiac symbols at this temple of Denderah. If you wiki Denderah, you will see exactly what we are looking at. Here is another plate, zodiac plate, with original hand color. This is very rare. It's a very rare book. And here is this. Here's another one, all with original hand color. Celestial images, zodiac signs, and so on. Yep. And here's the rest of it. It's deckled edges. It's unopened, meaning that some of the pages are still attached at the top as they were printed. So they've never been separated in a virginal state, so to speak. And it goes like so, a nice, thick, heavy handmade paper. And this rear cover is almost detached because it was just sewn on. But here we see another large folding plate that says here, engraved, 18, well, it looks like 44 to my eyes, but, and there we go, the rear wrapper like so. And this book is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.